Nowadays, for young artists, social media is one of the key things that could help them to spread their work, to spread their ideas, to get an attention. I think it's important nowadays. It makes it a bit easier in a way that sharing and publishing things is easy, but at the same time the competition for the attention is really high. So if you make a good art, it goes viral, more or less. So yeah, I think the social media is one crucial point for young artists where to present the ideas. So I chose this one. It's called Links. As I understood, it's Indian artist living in Canada. It's a kind of heartbreaking situation that most of us know, that in Asia a lot of kids have to work long days, basically no pay, in order to produce the stuff that we are actually consuming here. And this work very well in a bit like in a childish or let's say naive way connects this problem that actually the kids here, or the kid here, is actually a part of the circle where I think it's he produces something for us to make money for someone else, and at the same time it's a circle that comes around, but and sad thing about it is that actually the trash leftovers from our consumption goes quite often back to these places. I've been a volunteer of Let's Do It World, the World Cleanup Day, for 6 years. The biggest ever cleanup event taking place next September, all around the world in 15th of September. And we have dealt with this problem, and we've seen the problem all the time, that there is two problems. First of all, that the cheap production is in Southeast Asia, kids are used for that. This is very bad, and the other sad thing is that all the trash that comes out of it actually goes back there, so that it looks clean and nice here in Western Europe. That's why it was so touching for me, and it's very strongly connected to the economic situation in the world, as well as the ties between different kind of regions. So I like that work a lot. It was a bit sad, but at the same time it exemplifies the situation very well. This circle thing especially, that this kid is actually a small detail, or a small part of this big economic circle.